Covering Colorado now, Powder Monday at Loveland Ski Area today after the resort got 4 new inches of fresh powder. The new snow making for a great day on the slopes, bringing their total to the year to more than 275 inches. That's more than 22 feet. Each year, Loveland receiving more than 422 inches of the white stuff, though it could pass that mark with closing day not until mid-May.
Yeah, numbers expected to rise with March, of course, traditionally being the snowiest month in Colorado every year. And we're always watching out for you. Meteorologist Alan Rose here with more on what we can expect for the rest of this month. Alan.
Well, snowy March weather, Mike Daniels says not so fast. But as we know, March is typically the snowiest month on average for southern Colorado. And for Pueblo, well, it's the second snowiest. So the spring's first for the Pueblo area, typically the second. And in the springs, March typically produces around 8 inches of snow. Look at the graphic here. Pueblo produces a little under 6. Canyon City comes in around 7.5 inches. Now, Monument often measures snow in feet in March, with average snowfall here over 22 inches. Now, with one storm already in the books this month, and it's the second day of March, the Springs Airport has already seen nearly 5 inches of snow. The Pueblo Airport not seeing as much from this past storm, with just under an inch reported here. Both cities saw below average snowfall last month. If you look at the numbers, last March about 7.5 in the Springs, 2.2 for Pueblo. Now, looking ahead to the newly issued NOAA's Climate Prediction Center maps, this is just released for the month of March. Most of El Paso and Pueblo counties actually falls into the normal category, and that means we expect to see near average March snowfall. Now, according to the map here, eastern parts of these counties and the plains have a higher probability of below average precipitation this month. Temperature-wise, pretty much all areas east of the Rockies are favored to see above average temperatures. You can see the highest numbers out there would be up towards maybe parts of the Tennessee River Valley up through the Ohio River Valley. Colorado appears to be the dividing line between average and warmer than average. Notice that there's just a small sliver here on this map of below average probability found over the Pacific Northwest. Now, remember that these outlooks are not intended to be a forecast, but rather an indication of future conditions relative to the norm. Always watching out for you, southern Colorado. Meteorologist Alan Rose, News 5.